Holy hopping horse shit. Happy Monday, folks. I want to present to you the epitome. And I swear to God, I am going to reaffirm my suspicion. I believe, these are the same bitches that would be all masked up, gloved up, face shielded up, screaming in your face, take your shot or you're killing children. 100%. These are the same fucking COVID Karen fucking warriors, pink pussy hat wearing fucking woman's rights bitches that would also be out there screaming that, well, that man that identifies as a girl and wants in your daughter's locker rooms, well, they're women too. The white COVID brainworm fucking Karens.
I just searched for a bulletproof vest.
Really?
I spent a year wearing one in Baghdad.
Absolute bullshit. Absolute bullshit. Number one, we don't call them bulletproof vests. No, they're flak jackets. Yeah, you got your jacket? You got your jacket? And as a cop, we don't call them bulletproof vests. We just call them vests. So this is just little, what does Shanny call it? I don't know. Theatrical fucking whatever.
And here I am 20 years later, searching for one because my government wants to kill me. To anyone who voted for him, and especially those that keep supporting him.
Wow.
You.
Fuck you.
You.
Fuck you.
And it's not just ICE, it's also Border Patrol and federal agents.
No, she didn't.
And all.
Could you imagine being this fucking mentally ill that you think the government is targeting you to shoot and kill you in your home, wherever the fuckistan you are? Probably, I don't know, fucking Ohio or some other, I don't know. Nowhere near what's going on, but of course, TikTok is your battleground. White Karen cat mom fucking drugged out. Look at the size of those pupils. How many fucking Xanaxes are you on, bitch?
So I guess if anybody has suggestions, I'm starting to make a list of things that I need to purchase to prepare for what is inevitable.
Here we go. White COVID brainworm Karen mom, cat moms. Not a real mom, cat moms. Yeah, that cat is coming up. Are the new anti-government fucking targeted citizen preppers. How fucking funny is that?
Yeah.
There.
Let me know what's on your list. Let me know what I should get.
So she's asking for prepping advice, survivalist, anti-government, fucking Antifa bullshit. What weapons? Beyond my bulletproof vest, because me, as a psychotic, white Karen liberal brainwormed bitch, she's about to fight the government from her home. And TikTok. I am almost convinced it is time to ban TikTok. Because once you shut TikTok down, all these mentally ill, brainworm, white Karen, fucking nothing but seeking attention and affirmation, psychotic bitches, they'll just go the fuck away. And they will leave the streets of Minnesota. I am still of the option of, helicopter water drops on them or Fuck it. Water cannons. I'm Mr. Freeze, Mr. There you go. In fucking same.
Or you could just not interfere with ICE.
God damn, there's a fucking idea. How about you keep your white, lesbian, fucking cat mom hair ass at home instead of going out there armed with handguns with multiple magazines to scream at and interfere and attack federal officers there to arrest child sex traffickers, to arrest rapists, to arrest murderers in this country illegally, smuggled in and flown throughout the country by your white Karen Joe Biden fucking Kamala Harris administration, who told you, shut up and go get your shots. You're not a good American. That is the eyes of fucking pure evil. Happy Monday. That's right, bitches. The Church of Common Sense is back.